If you want. Hear that? It's nothing. I'm just gonna tell you, there's an awesome mural behind here that you have to find out later what it is. She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus, America too. She's a good girl, she's crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and a boyfriend too. Yeah, that's right. And it's a long day, living in the cedar. There's a freeway running through the yard, and I'm a bad boy. Don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart. Now I'm free. I'm free falling. Yeah. Not a vampire walking through the valley, move west down Ventura Boulevard. Now the bad boys are sitting in the shadows, and the good girls are broken hearts. Yeah. Come on, guys. Come on, Zito. Let it ride, baby. Let it ride. I wanna glide down over Mulholland. I wanna ride her name in the sky. I wanna free fall.